And ultimately, with the parameters available to us, we can create all sorts of eyebrows. Let's put together a geometry node modifier that takes an object and turns it into an eyebrow. To do this, we need some nodes, 18 to be precise. And the easiest way to add any node is to press Shift-A to bring up the Add menu, then use the search field to find the node by its name. Now that we know how to add nodes, we can put them together to achieve different effects. First, let's bring in the nodes that take the base mesh and generate hair strands on its surface. With these nodes, the strands are effectively in place, but not actually visible. In order to see them, let's give the strands a small radius and convert them to a mesh. But these don't look natural. The strands will look better individually if their tips are pointy. But to look better collectively, they should be trimmed to random lengths. And knowing that realism stems from imperfections, let's take these perfectly smooth hair strands and give them a natural frizz. This brings us to a point where we can claim we have a proper pair of eyebrows, subjectively stylish, but objectively realistic. And ultimately, with the parameters available to us, we can create all sorts of eyebrows, realistic, stylized, and anything in between. But there are a few things to consider. First of all, the size of the base object. This subject is about 2 units in height. If your model is larger or smaller, you will need to adjust these variables accordingly. Second, don't restrict yourself to only a single base mesh. If you're aiming for some special look, for example one with long strands of hair, you'll find more success if you generate the eyebrow over 2 or more segments, each segment with its own set of parameters. However, if you're trying to achieve something on the edge of extreme, you should probably have a look at my tutorial on mustaches. As for this one, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.